In order to remove this trunk light assembly, you need to push this small plastic tab here and pull the lens out of the way. I will use a small flathead screwdriver to pull the lens while pressing the plastic tab. Gently pull the socket. Here's the trunk light assembly. The lens can be separated from this black plastic piece. There are two plastic tabs. Use a small flathead screwdriver to push the plastic tab. You just have to push this small piece and pull the whole black plastic housing to separate it from the lens. These are the two tabs that acts as a lock, and it is held on this metal piece. This is the light bulb. You just have to push this terminal to release the bulb from its place. I will clean everything before I install the new LED bulb. Make sure everything is completely dry. This is the new LED bulb. I'm going to install it and test it. Now that the bulb is good, I'm going to rotate it to its proper position. Just like that. The LED chip is facing the lens. Reinstall this small plastic housing. Make sure it clicks. Now that everything is secured, reinsert the socket and put the trunk light assembly back to its panel. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.